Hey guys, this is Ishwalamti. Do you know that you can shop on Amazon and have the items shipped to you right here in Ghana by DHL at a very cool rate? Yes, you can. So recently, I was having a conversation with a friend and I was telling him how cool it would be to have such a service. And then he told me there's actually something like that being offered by DHL, known as the DHL eShop. So I quickly googled it up and then I realized that you can actually shop on about 166 plus sites from either US or UK, and then you can have the item shipped to you by DHL at a very cool rate. So here is how it works. All you have to do is to install the eShop app by DHL on Google Play Store or App Store, or either install the extension in your Google Chrome browser, and then you are good to go. So let's take a look at how this works in the browser, and then we take a look at it on the mobile as well. So let's get into it. So on Google, we are going to go ahead to search for DHL eShop. So that's the first option in here. I'm going to go ahead to open it, and then I'll go ahead and then click on the first URL we have in there. So once you come to the site, there are a couple of things you have to do. First of all, you have to create an account if you don't already have an account. Since I already have an account, I'm logging into my account automatically. And then you go ahead to install the Google Chrome extension. So that's what you have in here. So install the DHL eShop app, and it's going to take you to the Google Chrome extension section where you get to add it to Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead to add it, and it should appear somewhere at the top in here. So that's it, we have it here. I'm going to come back to the site. So let me just come back, let me just close this and then come back here. Now once I'm here, I get to see the shops that I will be able to shop on. So let me just go ahead and then click on stores on app. So as you can see, there are tons of shops that you can actually shop from, either from US or from UK. And when you come to this section, you get to specify whether you want to shop from either US or just UK. And then we have categories in here. So if it is it auto parts, is it luxury, is it sports, is it tech? So if it's tech, I probably would want to shop for a tech device. So once you come to tech, you have Amazon, that is Amazon US or Amazon UK. So or you have Apple Store as well here. So once I click on Amazon, it's going to go ahead to open up Amazon for me. So I just have to agree to the terms here, and then I should be on Amazon. Now on Amazon, you don't necessarily have to create an account with Amazon before you can use this service, but it will be to your advantage if you have an account on Amazon. So once you have an account on Amazon, you'll be able to see your history, your orders, and so on. But that's not really a requirement if you don't have an account. Let me just go ahead and then sign out so you get to see that this really works. So I've signed out from Amazon. Let me just come back to Amazon. So this is Amazon. Let me just refresh. I want to be sure if I'm not signed in. Right, so I'm not signed in here. And let me just go ahead and then browse some of the items they have in here. So let me just search for, let's say, movie. So that's what we have in here. So I'm going to go ahead to click on this, and then I'm going to go ahead to, let me just see buying options and then add one to the cart. So I think, let me just come back. I don't think this option is going to work out best for me. Maybe this one. Let me just try this. Okay, so I have the chance of adding it to the cart in here. So as you can see, I have something in the cart. Now all I have to do is to hit on checkout / pay now, which is being offered by the extension we installed from, that is the DHL eShop. So I'm going to go ahead to click on that, and then it's going to process and then take me to the DHL site for me to be able to go ahead to proceed with my orders. So over here, I get to see the price of the item in US dollars. I get to see the tax rate for it. I see the handling fee as well as the shipping fee, and then the total amount in Ghana cedis. So now the Ghana cedis amount you see is actually an estimated amount. So it could go up, it could go below this. So once I'm cool with everything I see in here, I get to specify the duration I want to have this item shipped, and then I specify the address I want it to be shipped to, and then I go ahead to specify the payment method as well. So once I'm done with that, then I can proceed to the next stage to checkout. But even before then, let's come back to the store on app. Or I think there's one thing that you need to know. It's actually two. which are, first of all, there are some items that you can't purchase and then have them shipped. So let's take a look at some of these items. I think that should be somewhere here. So yeah, so unable to ship list. Yeah, so these items, so there are tons of items in here where you can't have them shipped through this service. So it's good to know you have to go through them first before you go ahead to proceed with your order. And then secondly, also, you can't ship items above certain weight. I tried, let me just come back to Amazon and then try that, because I tried purchasing a laptop earlier, and then it seems the size of the laptop was too much, so it didn't allow me to proceed with that. So let me just come back to Amazon, agree to this, and then search for laptop. So gaming laptop, and then let me see if I will be able to check out. So I think this option is okay. Let me just go ahead and then add it to the cart. No, I don't want any of these options. So let me just go ahead and then check out and see how this is going to turn out. Items were removed because they did not meet the weight and or size requirements. So just like I was saying, even though you have access to purchase items on Amazon or any of the sites there and then have them shipped to you, you can't go above certain weights. I don't know where you get to see the weight which are allowed in here, but that's fine. So first you search for an item where you get to be able to check it out using the eShop app or extension on Google Chrome. I think that's good to go, even though you won't be able to purchase almost everything, but you should be able to purchase a couple of things using this particular service. So let's go ahead and then take a look at how it works also on the app. I actually use an Android, so that's what I'm going to do the demonstration with. So let's take a look at how the app works. So I'm going to go ahead to open up Google Play Store, and then I'm going to search for DHL eShop. So that's the first option I have in here. I'm going to go ahead to install this. It should take me some few seconds, and then that should be done. So let me just wait patiently as that gets installed. So once I have it installed, I'm going to go ahead to open it, and then it's going to give me some welcome and then some tutorials to go through. So let me just swipe and then swipe and then swipe, and then I think that's just about it. So I'm going to go ahead to start shopping, and then this is going to ask me for the location for the device. So I'm going to go ahead to allow it so it gets to see that I'm in Ghana, and then I go through the categories I have in here. So I want tech, I'll go ahead and then select, let's say maybe computers and tablets, and then I get to see the shops that offer or sell these products. So I have Amazon UK or Amazon US. I think, let me just go back and then select Amazon US, and then I go ahead to hit on agree. So once that is done, it's going to load Amazon right in the app. So I get to go through the items on Amazon. So let me just select this particular device, and then let me just go ahead and then add it to the cart. So I'm going to add it to the cart here, and then I think I don't want to add this, so that's just about it. Once I'm done, there's a yellow button at the bottom that says checkout, review, cart, or checkout. So I think I'm done with my items, so I'm going to go ahead to hit on that, and then it's going to take some few seconds to load the next section for me. So okay, so it says the item was removed because of the weight. So let me just remove that and then add something lighter than that. So let me just come back, hit on continue shopping. Then let's say maybe I think there's some earbuds in here. Let me just go ahead and then add those. Okay, so let me just go ahead and then add this, and then go ahead and then add it to the cart. Okay, so that's just about it. Let me go ahead and then hit on proceed. It should, okay, so I get to see the order, that's the product amount, the tax, and then the duties, and then the handling fee as well as the shipping fee. And then if I'm okay with everything, I go ahead to hit on continue to take me to the next section. Now, just like I said earlier, I should have an account with the app, so I'm going to go ahead to log in into my account. So let me just enter my details here. So I have my details entered. I'm going to go ahead to hit on login, and then as you can see, I'm logged into my account here. So if I'm okay with everything I have in here, I'm just going to go ahead to hit on checkout, and then once I hit on checkout, it takes me to the the delivery method as well as the shipping address. So I already have an address entered. Let me just go ahead and select this, Accra, Ghana, and then specify the duration. And then once I'm okay, I'm going to go ahead to hit on review purchase. It should take me to the next stage where I get to see the details about the order again. And then if I'm okay, I'm going to hit on make payment. And then this is going to show me the payment method. If I have any promo code, I can go ahead and then add it. If I don't, I go ahead and specify the payment method. And then I go ahead and hit on place order. So this is going to bring me a form for me to fill in with my card details. So that's just about how to go about the whole process using the app on the Android app. So you can also try it out on the iOS as well. So as you can see, there are lots of things you can do with the DHL eShop app. Even though there were some little or some few downside that has to do with the weight of some products, as well as some products which are not allowed to be shipped. I think it's fine and it's a fair service considering the price for shipping and so on. So in case you get to use this service, kindly share with me in the comment section how the experience and everything was like. I guess you saw how we went about the process using the mobile app, as well as how we did it on the PC using the Chrome browser with the help of the Chrome extension. So that's just about it for this particular video. In case you are new, all you have to do is to smash the subscribe button, and then don't forget to hit on like in case you enjoyed this video. And when you hit on the subscribe, don't forget to hit on the bell as well, so that anytime there's a new video, you get to see it. So once again, my name is Ishmael Lamte. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.